Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fried brinjal curry. So let's start with the ingredients first. I have taken here 750 grams of deep fried brinjal. I have cut it into thin slices and I have deep fried it. So I have taken here one medium onion sliced, 2 to 3 green chilies sliced, some garlic chopped, and also some tomatoes and some curry leaves. So from spices I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, some cinnamon, cardamom, and also half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And salt is always to your taste. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, and half a cup of thick coconut milk. So as you can see, the pan is well heated now. I'm going to add the oil first. So now the oil is well heated. I will add the onions, green chili, curry leaves and the garlic first. And let's get this cooked until golden brown. Give it a nice mix. So as you can see, my onions are fried. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes and let's give it a mix. So now the ingredients are well cooked. Let's add the spices to the pan and give it a mix. So as you can see now, the spices and the ingredients are well mixed. I'm going to add the coconut milk to the pan now. Use only half a cup of coconut milk. If I'm only using half a cup of coconut milk, if you want more you can add more. Let's give it a good mix and let's get the coconut milk to a boil. Now the coconut milk is well cooked and boiling, so I will add the fried brinjals into the dish now. Let's give it a gentle mix. Be careful when you're mixing it as the brinjals are fried and soft at this moment, so only give it a gentle mix. So now I'm going to add the sugar into the pan. I'm only adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you like it more sweet, you can add more. Let's mix it. So the brinjal dish is almost done and ready to be served. I will turn off the stove now. So this is the Sri Lankan style fried brinjal curry that I made today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel and give me feedback about this video. I'm hoping to see you again soon with another delicious food. Thank you for watching.